Hello friends, today we will discuss about quality and innovative concrete pipe manufacturing for great returns. With the increasing demand in concrete products, it has become crucial for all builders to align themselves with professional and competent manufacturers who will deliver quality and quantity as required. Apollo Hawkeye Pedershaab Concrete Technologies Private Limited, AHCT, is one of the best manufacturers for these products in India. With AHCT, what you get is cost-effective solutions for all types of projects that require concrete materials and concrete pipes. Infrastructure development is one of the key areas that our presence has been felt strongly. Recently the company has gone global through a joint venture with Hawkeye Pedershaab Concrete Technologies Worldwide, USA. This initiative came into effect in the year 2012. The company is headed by a very competent team of directors led by Mr. AHCT Patel, who has had more than 30 years experience in the road construction equipment making industry. The team of directors is highly qualified engineers from various fields and all have contributed to the success of this business. The company philosophy is based on total unity and teamwork in all departments and a high entrepreneurial spirit for all staff. It values integrity and great business ethics which drive the company to take a step further and ensure quality is delivered in all phases of the operation. The company is located in Ahmedabad, Mehsana State Highway in the village of Rajpur in Gujarat, India. For all concrete machine solutions, it is advisable to check out our website and also make contact directly with us and we will be there for you. Pipe making machinery. A whole range of pipe making machines is available such as the CAP-150-200, CAP-250, VHE Masterflex SC60. The Masterflex SC60 is a great solution for production of the smaller diameter and non-reinforced concrete ducts and operates on the module of the VHE system. The production capabilities of these machines are extremely high with the SC60 able to produce greater than 600 tubes per run and the triple production mode. Concrete pipe machine. The CAP-150-200 is versatile equipment which uses vibrated casting technology for manufacturing of concrete pipes, culverts, jacking pipes and even lined pipes. Some of the benefits of this machine include semi-automatic operation, VHE core and table vibration, quick mold changing systems, optional header systems and most of all the adjustable box culvert molds. Pipe manufacturing machine. The Pipe Plus series of machines offers great manufacturing value and productivity. The equipments can produce greater than 400 tubes per cycle and are ideal for production of manholes and larger diameter pipes. Wire cage welding machine. Wire cage welding machines are designed to produce wire cages from 220 mm up to 3000 mm in diameter. Some of the innovations of this equipment include automatic and computerized equipment calibration, manually fed lines and wires, auto production of wire cages and easier change of cage dimensions through a computerized system. Conclusion. Improved pipe manufacturing technology has led to production of higher quality pipes and increased production output. This company has been at the forefront of this technology development which has made it prosper and excel in service delivery. For more Apollo derivatives applications visit at www.ahct.in. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to get the latest updates of our videos.